up? Dubs Dude here, ready to come back with another video. It's BB Tan. I've played this game forever. I've never played this game and posted it on a YouTube channel, but the sound should be better because it's up and down. So, hope you guys enjoy. By the way, I suck at this game. A lot. Because I just got this game, so it's gonna be a bit hard to watch. You can't stand people who aren't good at games to watch them play games. I wouldn't recommend watching this YouTube channel, because that's basically what I do, is try to do games. Oh, jeez, that sucked. Oh man, I'm screwed. This ball is taking forever. Oh jeez. Okay, let's try that. No. That sucks so much. Uh-oh. That's not good. I gotta do something about the ones down there. Right there. Come on. Dang it. Okay, let's go up here. That did not work how I planned. Crap. Oh my gosh, I suck at this. Okay. Whatever, I really suck at this game. No. There we go. Got something good. Oh man. Wait, how did I lose? Oh, whatever. My best score would be 43, which isn't that good, but let me know if you want to do Subway Surfers modded, because I have it modded, if you were wondering. So I could do that. You know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna do it anyways. So hope you enjoy the next video. Oh my gosh, this is really starting to get tricky. No! Oh my gosh. Why am I sucking so much? I get you're supposed to go over that, like, wherever that weird thing pops up at. Yeah, that. But, like, I don't really want to do that. So. Okay. Oh no, don't go yet. I'm gonna try this and hopefully not fail completely like I just did. Okay. Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. There we go. That was okay. Oh, thank God they got that bottom one. I didn't catch that right away. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I lost. Crap. Yes! Barely got it. It's a very intense game, as you can tell. Okay. Here at, oh crap. Okay, just gotta get it in there. Oh, that sucked. Let's go right here. Nope. Probably shouldn't have done that. Oh god, I'm really starting to suck. I just gotta get that inside one. Let's go like that. There we go. Oh, that wasn't very good. Oh crap, I did not expect it to happen like that. Okay. That's really sucking for me right now. Come on, just break into there. There we go. Yes. Break it away. Oh man, this is gonna take a long time. Alright then, better get this one. Got a higher score than what I got last time. I'm screwed. Dang it. That sucked, but I still got 39 coins. Thank you guys for watching me play 7 minutes of BB10. You probably quit halfway through. I'm definitely gonna have to stick clickbait on this.